I've always wondered to myself, is there something that helps the entrepreneurs that succeed that they have, which other entrepreneurs don't? Is it something they know? Is it how they run their businesses? Is it the people they hire? Is it where they went to school? Is it their socialization, their background, their education, their mental spaces? What is it that makes the entrepreneur succeed? Welcome to my masterclasses, where I share with you everything you need to know about how to become a high-growth, high-scale entrepreneur. I'm joined by guests. We break down the myths, the ideas, the legends, everything you need to know to become a high-growth entrepreneur. Warning, this is the High Performance Zone.
It's a great question. It's a great question. And it's just, I suppose it's just a question about what your business is, right? Are you a production house? Are you a production house, a branding house, or a distribution house? You got to try and get yourself into a value chain that looks something like this. But the real question for you is the item of clothing. Let's imagine you're making a jersey. What does it take to make a jersey? So if you go to source in your business, if there's no farmer with no sheep, there's no wool, there's no jersey, which means you can't manufacture it, you can't brand it, and you can't sell it. But you're wondering why you can't compete with a large retailer. The reason you can't compete with a large retailer is because you have to buy from exactly the same place that manufactures it as they do. Great. Then the next thing I would do is I'd say to yourself, make sure that you own the manufacturing facility of your business. That way, seasonal or not, if trends change or anything changes, you make the decision tomorrow about what you're making. See, I see a lot of these guys who buy t-shirts from Mr. Price and remove the thing and put a brand on it. That's not entrepreneurship, guys. Because if you don't brand it and sell it, it goes nowhere. Make sense? To all the entrepreneurs that came out, what an amazing time. The learning, the opportunity to share, the experiences, the cross-collaboration of opportunities about what we can learn from each other was absolutely amazing. So cool that we continue to be on this tour to do these masterclasses. And to each and every single entrepreneur that comes to these masterclasses, that trusts us with their story, their opportunity, their struggles, we really appreciate it. We'll hope that you guys are learning about your business and about yourself as much as we're learning too. Cheers.